To set up the work mode on iPhone 16e, we need to go to settings. Then in the settings, scroll down to find focus and choose it here. And you should be able to find work somewhere over here on this list. You will need to set it up for the first time. So if you select it at first, you will see the button, customize it or set it up or something. And then you have a bunch of customization options regarding what should happen when the work mode is enabled. So we can manage notifications, we can choose to allow notifications from selected contacts or apps, or we can switch to silence notifications from, so it works a little bit all the way around. We also can go to options to find more notification options for the work mode. We can customize the screen so that we can make changes when the work mode is enabled. We can have a different lock screen and home screen page. And we can also create a schedule. So by default, we have smart activation over here. We can go then there to decide to use the smart activation if we want to. If not, then we can create our own schedule based on time, location, or app. We also have filters where we can use app filters or system filters in order to make them appear, make them work whenever the work mode once again is activated. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!